welcome back, man. Welcome back. Non-consensual towing. Somebody's fixing to get yanked. Anyway, we've got a strange one here. There's a motorcycle that's abandoned on a curb. I believe this is an office. This is a shopping center is what this is. And somebody's put this motorcycle here. Don't understand how it got here or why. But I'm fixing to tow it. Said it's been there for a week. It's very strange that it's where it's at. I almost say it's one of the renters. And they might come out. We gotta get it on the truck. This is a weird one. Yeah. Oh. Let's see if I can get it out of gear.
This one is broken?
Yeah. That should be a neutral. See, this is broke. Makes it very difficult. Hey, thank you. Thank you for helping me. Anyway, that figured out what the story on this thing is. It got wrecked, and the guy that owns it, whoever owns it, I don't know if they got hurt. I imagine they got banged up. I don't know if they got hurt bad. There's just no way to know. But either way, the bike got left over here to help them. Cracked the steering wheel. Let's crack this piece here too. That piece came down and hit. Ain't about motorcycle wrecks, but you can't judge by the damage to the motorcycle how bad the person got hurt. You can't never tell. There ain't no way to know. Might be hardly anything wrong with the bike, and the dude could have got hurt. Could have been a female too. Could have got hurt. I hope they didn't. I hope this person didn't. It could be that it's a stolen motorcycle and somebody wrecked it and just left it. That's a possibility too, but we'll find out when they come and get it. We'll find out if anybody shows up to get it or if it's stolen or not. But I hope this person is okay. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next. Stay tuned. Yeah. Anyway, that looked like a crime scene, maybe a shooting. They got cameras in the car, and anyway, I'm gonna look it up on the internet and find out. We're rolling in hot over here. Somebody called in an impound. It's parked under somebody else's garage. They have little awnings here where you can park up under your garage if you want to rent. If you want to rent a garage space. Only problem is you can't park under somebody else's garage. Like this guy right here is parked, double parked right here. Let me double check my paperwork on it. Acura. That's not an Acura, man. Yeah, here we go. I gotta call and make sure it's back up, man. That right there is a Infinity. It's not an Acura. It is double parked in 2 parking places. Gotta call this front office real quick. This is the tow guy. I'm over here, build number 8. Hey, there's a G35 double parked in 2 spaces.
Yeah.
Is that the one? Is they had wrote down Acura?
Silver Acura.
It's actually an Infinity.
Infinity. Sorry.
Yeah, it's parked in 2 spaces. That's fine. It's in 2 spaces.
Yes, sir.
All right, you got it. I'm gonna grab it real quick. I'll be down there in a few.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
This guy's double parked, man. Parked in 2 spaces. You own the place. Let's get it. How about the move? Man, he got real close to getting hooked, man.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you parked in 2 spots. Is this one of your garages?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. You can't put double park. They're gonna call it in every time. It's yours?
Yeah.
Okay, the office called this car in. If I'd have had a hook on it, you'd be paying. Okay. Anyway, that guy got lucky. He got real lucky, but he knew what he was doing. He had his windows open. He knew what he was doing. He knew where he was parking at. And he's been doing this on a regular basis. That's why they finally called it in. Anyway, we just pulled out of there. I talked to the manager. She did confirm that's been an ongoing problem with that gentleman parking that car wherever he wants. And the next time he does that, we're going to send a wheel lift truck over there. We'll send Eddie over there, or Rodney, and the wheel lift truck, and we'll get it off the ground. It don't matter which way he's facing. We can. We will get him off the ground. I almost got a hook on it, and we had actually had the wrong vehicle make. We had the wrong make model. It was supposed to be an Acura, and that was a little bit of a hesitation in the impound, which may have cost us the impound, but it is what it is. He may have came out regardless of whether I had to hesitate. I did back around the building on the other side, so it may or may not have affected it, but by law the guy's got the right to move it, man, in Georgia. Now if you got a wheel lift truck, you back in, man, you got it off the ground before they come out, it's hooked. And Rodney or Eddie will come over here. He's gonna get hooked next time he does it, man. When they call it in, they're gonna come rolling in with the wheel lift, with the snatch truck, and he's gonna be paying $100. We're back at it again, rolling in hot. We got a called in impound on this property. I don't have any details yet, other than they want the car towed. So we're pulling in right now. We'll see. I gotta stop by the office here and find out what exactly is going on. But anyway, we'll see what happens. We just pulled out of the office. I got a few details on it, and it's a Nissan Altima with busted windows, or a busted window, and no tag. building number 7. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it. See how it goes. That's it right there. You can't never tell what's going to happen doing this. That's why you got to always be on point. Anyway, we're going to ride it up, sign it out, get off the property.